Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Naren Vlogs and Tech. This is going to be a major upgrade in the audio recording for my vlogging and my regular video recording as well. This is the DJI Mic Mini, and it has two transmitters and one receiver. I actually thought of buying one receiver and one transmitter combo, but again it is out of stock everywhere, so I bought both the package again. Comes with a charging case and a proper carry case as well. I bought this from G2 Products Bangalore, and the actual pricing is about 16,000, and I got it for a decent price as well. So let us just unbox this. I'm going to pair this with my phone video recording as well, my regular videos, and also my action camera recording as well. You can see the details here. You can pause the video and see the features and all of it. And all the I've heard very good reviews on this particular camera setup, video setup, along not just for recording through action cameras, even for recording through phone audio as well. I've heard good things about it. Okay. This is the tag. Okay, they've provided a very good carry pouch, a bag. It has a bit of cushioning as well, which should protect from minor bumps here and there. Okay, these should be those, I think they're called dead cats, I think so. Two of them for two transmitters. Now the main thing. Just remove this seal sort of thing. Yes, the transmitter and the two I think this is called the receiver, and these are two transmitters. Come with a regular clip and a magnetic clip as well. It has the charging function for all three of it, so my audio should be upgraded from now, and you'll be very soon seeing my vlogging setup as well. And this is the converter for connecting the receiver to a smartphone. This is a USB-C, so all the latest Android phones and the latest iPhones should work. Yes. Okay. Yes, this has a charging function, so I can charge all three of them from here. A USB-C port. These are some of the specifications, or you can observe here. Okay, the DJI branding, and even I've upgraded my vlogging camera. My first ever action camera as well, which is a DJI Action 5 Pro. I'll be sharing another video of unboxing and a setup as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do share comments for improvement, and please do support the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you. forgot to add these. These are the cables I received. Okay, this is TRS cable. Okay, I think for connecting the receiver and the mic, I think so. And let me just open. These are the dead cats. When I mount it, I'll show it to you guys. Thank you so much.